Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, hey, what's up? My name is Caitlin, and today it's time for my next and last installment of my Zodiac series. First of all, let me apologize about this lighting. The sun is not cooperating with me at all right now, so it's either dark like this or like super bright like this. I'm not quite sure which is better, but I know I can't see over there. So we're gonna hang out right here. I'm really sorry about that, but I guess, I don't know, the sun didn't want me to film today, I guess. But yeah, this is my Aries look. When I think Aries, I think fire, like bright, passionate, intense fire. They're a fire sign, obviously, but when I think fire sign, Aries is the one that my mind automatically goes to, because they're just like the epitome of fire sign. They're like crazy in a good way, very loud, very bubbly, very outgoing, very passionate people, very sporty typically. They also really like whatever they're into, they're like really into, whether it be like art or music or sports or anything like that, they're super into it. They're also very stubborn and very like, I don't know how to say it, like they get really down, I guess would be the right word. Like they're very like, oh, the world hates me, I am over it kind of people. But at the same time, they're also very like, I love everything kind of people. So they're kind of like back and forth, bipolar in a sense, I suppose. But yeah, Aries is not one of my favorite signs, I will admit. Usually Aries girls. Aries guys aren't like as clashy with me, but Aries girls tend to be pretty clashy with me. I'm a Pisces, and they're very like blah blah blah, and I'm just like, if that makes sense. So yeah, we clash quite a bit. My sister is an Aries. She's like actually right on the cusp of Pisces Aries, but she definitely leans more Aries than she does Pisces. Yeah, I like Aries people though. They're very fun. I just need them in like small doses. But yeah, I don't really, Aries is a hard one, but I'm also very sad that this is like my last Zodiac series. I started with Taurus almost a year ago, and we're ending it with Aries. So that's kind of sad. I also feel like I look really terrible in this lighting, but like not much better over there. I don't know. I'm really sorry about the lighting, you guys, but throughout this video it's going to kind of change back and forth too, so I'm sorry. Yeah, that's really all I have to say about Aries, I guess. Let me know what you want to see my next like series be. I was thinking maybe like Disney princesses, like inspired makeup or something of that nature. But let me know down below what you guys want to see, and if you want to see how I got this look. I don't know which way is better here. But if you want to see how I got this look, then just keep watching. And yeah, I will see you guys in my next video.